Hey guys, I'm Chris.
I'm Kathy.
We're down for the weekend. We found a Aldi to do some grocery shopping.
Very good prices.
Right.
Good parking.
Yeah, we don't have one of those where we live, so when we're out on the road and we see one, we try to take advantage.
German company.
Yeah, and they have some unique products that we don't find other places that we really like there. And Kathy said it's really inexpensive.
They have a lot of good vegan products. Germany,
surprisingly.
Exactly, Germany. Go figure. But yeah, it's great. So we went shopping and replenished our cabinets.
Right.
While we're down, you have to do things like that because we're planning on running hard Monday.
Exactly. So you got to take advantage of the time when you have it, when you're out on the road like this.
Yep.
You got to use your time wisely. Also, while we're parked for the weekend, we found a dog park.
Bark Park. Harvest Bark Park.
Harvest Bark Park. It's actually part of a church, Harvest Church.
Yes.
Like that. It's on the property. It's very nice. It's one of the nicest dog parks that we've been to.
Sure is.
That had a nice big parking lot. We looked it up online. We're Googling for dog parks in the area.
Near me.
And
10 miles.
Right. It's only 10 miles away from the Loves where we're at now.
Oh man, they loved it.
Oh, they did.
Oh my gosh.
But we always try to look at the pictures and get an idea of the parking lot because sometimes you can't get a truck in there, but this one appeared to have a big parking lot, and it did, and turned out we were the only ones there when we got there.
It was wonderful.
Fairly large park. They had a lot of stuff for the dogs. It's very clean.
And it was nice weather today. So cool.
Yeah.
And Penelope was messing around one of the crate things over there, and I figured, well, maybe they store balls in there because sometimes they do at parks like that. So I opened it up, and it was boxes of large, oversized dog bones.
Milk bones.
Milk bones. And so she grabbed one.
She helped herself to one.
She ran around with it and tried to play it, and then she ate it, and she was very, very happy. So it was very nice. They had water, and lots of times they don't have water, so that was a plus.
It was a very nice facility. Yeah.
Then this afternoon, Chris worked up something for us that I've been wanting forever on this truck.
Yeah, our last truck had a quick connect nozzle for the air compressor, so you could hook up a blowgun attachment to blow out the truck to keep it clean. And that's something that we missed on, from our old truck that we didn't have on this newer truck that we have. While we were at Love's, we noticed they have a kit that attaches to the air seat connection. So we picked that one up. They had a couple of different ones. They had one that's kind of permanently attached. This one has a quick disconnect, so it's more like kind of what our old truck was. So we installed that. I got a few clips of that.
Oh
guys
man,
are
it's
interested.
Wonderful. It was $30.
Yeah, $30, $29.99, something like that.
So awesome. The place looks like brand new truck again.
Yeah, because we try to sweep it out every day and wipe out.
You can't get in the crevices and under the seats, and it's just going down the highway. You can hear the road noise and all, and I mean, so the dust is coming in, and the allergies, just to keep our truck blown out.
It blows into the ventilation system too, even though it has filters, it doesn't filter out everything.
Right. So with dogs, with pets on board,
it's a must-have.
It's a must-have, and we're so excited. So
we have a couple pictures. We have a couple pictures of the packaging, and if anyone's interested in that, and
you showed how to install it.
Yeah, a little brief tutorial. It's super simple. Anybody can do it.
No, I can't.
But
I got a headache from hearing the instructions. I'm like, are we gonna be able to do this? It's
it literally took like 30 seconds to start to finish. So it's no big deal.
We've had a very good weekend, and like I say, we're trying to get everything ready. So we're gonna run hard Monday, and actually we had a couple calls. Right. Today on Saturday from Landstar agents. Unbelievable.
Good. Would have been really good loads. Of course, one was a bid, and they didn't get the bid, and
one canceled Boeing.
Right.
But we're just like, well, that's exciting to know that maybe that agents do work some of them on.
Right.
Yeah, 'cause some of these facilities are 24/7,
Right.
so they ship stuff out.
Yeah.
But we were excited about that, but it didn't materialize. But that's okay. We're planning on waiting until Monday anyway.
And well, we've got some footage of our week and our weekend, and hope you guys enjoy it.
Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, so the Blowgun kit, it installs to the seat airline that's behind the seat. First thing you want to do is to drain the tanks of all the air, so you can pump the brakes or whatever, just to get all the air out of the lines. After you do that, the directions say that you have the option to either install it where there's already an existing connection. You can remove this connection. On my truck, there's not enough slack here. It's barely coming out of the floor. So the other option is to cut a new place to put the quick connect. So after all the air is drained out of the lines, all you have to do is cut the line, try to cut it as straight as you can, and then you literally just push the airline into one side of the quick connect and it'll lock in place, and then you install the other side and it locks in place, and then you have the quick connect installed so that you can connect the blowgun attachment, and this helps keep the truck clean.